Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fantastic Greek salad with chicken. First, gather your fresh ingredients like crisp cucumbers, ripe tomatoes, and Kalamata olives. You'll also need some quality feta cheese and a good olive oil. We'll start by preparing the chicken, ensuring it's perfectly seasoned and cooked. Then, we'll move on to assembling the vibrant salad components and crafting a simple, flavorful dressing. Get ready to enjoy a truly delicious and healthy meal. For the chicken, start with boneless, skinless breasts or thighs. A simple marinade of lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and dried oregano works wonders. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. You can grill, pan-sear, or even bake the chicken until it's fully cooked and tender. Ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, let it rest for a few minutes before slicing it into bite-sized pieces. This keeps the chicken juicy and flavorful. Now for the vibrant salad. In a large bowl, combine chopped romaine lettuce, crisp cucumbers, and juicy tomatoes. Add thinly sliced red onion, pitted Kalamata olives, and plenty of crumbled feta cheese. For the dressing, whisk together extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, a touch of Dijon mustard, and dried oregano. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Pour the dressing over the salad ingredients and toss gently to ensure everything is well coated. This creates a harmonious blend of flavors. Your delicious Greek chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to savor the crispness of the vegetables and the warmth of the chicken. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a few extra Kalamata olives for a beautiful presentation. This salad is perfect as a light lunch, a satisfying dinner, or even as a side dish for a larger meal. It's a versatile and incredibly flavorful option that's sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.